What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Investor Trade with Jax. Going to take a look at Vechain. Currently seeing at 0.051. We're up 3.7 on the day. Seeing market cap 4.16 billion. 24-hour volume 69 billion. So if we hop into the chart, very similar with our video we did on Gala. We have a bull flag that has already broken out of it. Currently retesting. So to see continuation, you want to break that wave one high and then continue to push up to the wave 3 target of 0.06, because if it fails to do so, it rolls and the correction simply isn't over yet. But if you can break that wave one high, that's more confirmation of seeing a straight breakout to the upside. Technical target would take you up to about 0.06, and then the wave 3 target is 0.068 for our friend Vet. So if we zoom out a bit onto the daily chart, we do have this upward sloping trend line. I am looking at leading diagonal because the wave 4 broke into the wave 1, as you can see right here. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, 3, 4 broke into the 1, so you have to look at a leading diagonal. Up in a wave 5, so basically how it works, it's an ABC. So you have 5 waves up in an A, you pull back in a B, and then you push up in a wave C to complete that leading diagonal. Potentially push up to the top of the trend line, which is up at about 0.088 is a possibility. But if it fails to do so, and we simply got to drop back down to the lower time frames, we simply roll over, then what you would have to look at here, low battery. So that would be the A wave down. This would be a 3-wave move and a B, and then you come down in a wave C to complete the 4 before continuation. That's if we fail to hold the breakout of the bull flag. But as of right now, let me remove this. We've broken away. We've broken out of the bull flag. We're retesting it. So if we can push from here, break that wave one high at about 0.054, that's confirmation you're going to see continuation up to 0.06818. All right, gang, we're currently in 4 trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitinix. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. Once you sign up, take the 30 seconds to sign up. You send me email. Completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. We're currently in trades for Solana, Ethereum, ETH, and Polygon. My Forex signals and Turbo as well. And one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. All you have to do is take that 30 seconds, sign up to Bitinix, send me email. You also get access to what I'm invested in and when I'm taking my profits. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.